what I have here is num1 and num2, and this is the theoretical example, but you can apply it to a wide range of real-world scenarios. But here's I've got number 1 and number 2, and I've got the total of the two numbers. 8 plus 11, 8 plus 3 is 11. The difference, 3 minus 8 is negative 5, and 3 minus 8 is 24. Okay, so what I need to do is to create what I want to do is create a table that shows that if I change number 1 in this set of formulas here, what will be the outcome for the total, the difference in the product. So you can see that if num1 is 1, 1 plus, let me just put a 1 here, 1 plus 8 is 9, 1 minus 8 is negative 7, and 1 times 8 is 8, and that's what it put across here. If num1 is 2, then what it does is it plugs 2 in here, and it says that the two numbers added together, 2 plus 8 is 10, 2 minus 8 is negative 6, 8 times 2 is 16. You see how it's taking this number and plugging it into this spot in the calculation area, and then putting the results of all those values here. Okay, so that's what you're trying to do. So this is a solution. I'm going to create a second one so you can see how it works. Basically, you need to put what your outcome variables are, and that's what these outcome values are right here. Total, difference, and product. These are all output values or outcome values. I have to put total, difference, product, and then I have to do a reference to the formula of each, like this, this, and this. Then what I have to do is put the values in here. Okay, now that this is in place, it's pretty straight ahead to be able to do the actual data table. I highlight everything, not the column labels, but I highlight the formulas and the variables that I want, the values that I want to plug in to this cell B2 up here. And I go to data, then I go to what if analysis, and I go to data table. You've got two options here. You only need to use this one column input cell. What this is saying is, where in this calculation area do you want me to sub each one of these values and then do the calculation of the outcome variables? And in this case, we want to take each of these values progressively and put them here in that spot, B2. Okay, and then we just click on OK, and then it fills it all in. And that's how you do a one input data table.